Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today is my seventh monthsary of my baby Jarreyn, and then this is his cake. And then we're going to blow it, and we're going to do this first, and then we're going to blow the candles. Are you ready, guys? Let's blow it first. If we're going to do that, we're going to blow the candles with my baby Jarreyn. So let's start. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Jarreyn. Okay, let's blow the candle. Let's sit down. Okay, ready to blow? 3, 2, 1. So bye kids, at the comment section, share later guys. Bye! Say bye. Bye-bye.